How to enter redeem code in Crunchyroll. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Crunchyroll. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on account at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and head over to membership. You'll see the option to redeem offer code. Click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. There you go. Now in this page, you will be able to enter your code. Simply enter the valid code that you have got in this code section. Once you have entered, click on redeem. If the code is valid, then you will be able to redeem the special offer and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.